have some very exciting news to share with you guys today. My most frequently asked question is, how does your sister make her honey lavender lattes? And honestly, I don't know. And every time I go over there, she makes me one and I share it with you guys and show you how beautiful it is. And then my inbox gets flooded with questions on how she makes it, and it's been the top secret. So I am thrilled that I have officially convinced her to share it with you guys. And so I'm heading over there right now, and we are going to get the whole recipe on video from start to finish so you too can make these yourself at home as well.
Hey, come on.
Hi. Hi, Miss Debbie Rose. You excited?
Do you want a little cup?
Oh, that's so good. Is it so good? I'm so excited to be here today with my sister and my niece, Miss Debbie Rose, and we are going to be talking through her famous recipe, which is a honey lavender latte. I drive a full hour for this coffee, don't I? Yes. It is the thing that made Ashley like iced coffee. Yes, I don't like iced coffee, but I adore your coffee. It's very good. It is very good. I feel like it's definitely the ingredients that make it special, but you have a way with all things like sweet and caffeine. I mean, she has a background in both working at Starbucks and she used to be a pastry chef, so I feel like that has created some sort of magic. Okay, tell us everything about this syrup. So we make the syrup before we make the coffee, and the syrup I use organic lavender. It's dried. I get it on Amazon, and I just like the organic kind. It just seems a little fresher. So we're gonna run over to the kitchen, and we're just gonna make up some syrup. It's super fast, super easy. We'll be done in a minute. So I like to start with the water, and then just go ahead and pour it in. It's equal parts, 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, and then whatever your flavor is. Turn on your stove. I like to keep it at kind of like a medium so it doesn't burn and like caramelize at the bottom. Put in your sugar, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender. And can I get the lavender like from my backyard, or does it need to be like food grade? It needs to be food grade. Backyard lavender is great if you definitely have all the right sanitation in place, so you can't have reclaimed water.
So like not mine from the backyard.
Yeah, like probably not.
Okay.
I wouldn't recommend it. It's also not dried, so it's gonna be a different ratio. Dried lavender is stronger, so if you want to stick to this ratio, the dried lavender is the way to go. And I just get it on Amazon. So you just want the sugar to dissolve, so you can keep stirring it. Don't stir it, it's up to you. Just don't let it burn. So once it dissolves completely, take it off the heat, turn off your stove, and let it sit and cool for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then you're gonna strain it. Okay, this is just a little jar I found at Target in the kitchen section, and I just strained the syrup into here now that it's cool, and you just cap it off. Ready to use. This is a Breville Barista Express, also known as the Miracle Machine. I love it so much.
Okay, but you could do this with your Espresso maker, you could do this with your Keurig. This doesn't have to be with a fancy coffee machine.
Absolutely not. I like to start with the honey. This is just a fun little picture that came from Crate & Barrel several years ago.
We're gonna link it.
So I just do a little drizzle. What you want to do is pull the shot first. You're going to immediately want to put milk in with it, because the longer the shot sits by itself in open air, the more bitter it's going to taste. Full shot. This is macadamia milk. This is the unsweetened kind. I feel like if you're going to put syrup in it, you want the unsweetened kind. This is the milk ratio. So it's about to hear. The syrup, in general, I'm kind of used to it, so I just eyeball it, but you would do 2 spoonfuls. We can link these spoons for you too, they're from Amazon. I just do 2 spoonfuls, stir, stir, stir. You want that in when it's warm, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour it over your ice. Cheers. No, but seriously, it's delicious. We can't do anything serious. I love her so much. I'm so grateful she finally shared this with you guys. So easy. So easy. You should have to make syrup. You can put it in coffee, you can put it in cold brew, you can do it in a latte, you can put it on ice cream.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I mean, why not?
Let us know if you make it, and put it in the comment section below. Like, follow, subscribe. You know the drill.
Bye!